Hi, good evening, everyone. Hi, Jagriti. So I'm just waiting. How many of you have joined? Hi, Debu. Hi, Papia. So how you guys are doing in this lockdown situation? Everybody is somehow doing their works, not like the regular schedules of ours, but still. Hello, Arindam. Hello, Pritam. So we'll just now I have started, so let a few people more join us, and then hi Kusum, then we will start our today's live session. So I try maximum times to do the vegetarian recipes so that every one of you can do that. So I will be definitely telling the non-veg options for that. পাপিয়া ভালো আছি, আই হোপ তুমিও ভালো আছো। হাই স্বাতি। Let few of us I think I kept it 7 o'clock, so few more. Am I audible, friends? Let me ask you first. I forgot to ask you. Am I audible to all of you? Yes. Hi Priyanka. Just write a few, like 2 words. Yes, you are audible. Can you see me properly? Hi Aditi di. হ্যাঁ অরিন্দম ভালো আছি, আই হোপ তোমরাও ভালো আছো সবাই। সেফ থেকো, কেয়ারফুল অ্যাবাউট ইয়োর কিডস, নিজেদের আর কি সেফ রেখো যাতে কিডসরাও ভালো থাকে। হ্যালো স্যার। So hi Samarjit. So let few more join us, then we will start. Okay. Hi Aditi. Hello bro. Hello Raja Mondol. So I like it very much that you people are really watching my lives and do your practicing at your home. And you people, I got so many messages from you guys that my life is like very easy, and I give details of the everything what I teach here. So this is my nature. Actually I can't change this because whenever I teach I always give details of all the things, so that my students don't get confused with the ingredients and usage of them. So hi Pooja. Hi Jayanti. Hi Mary. Hello Mr. Dheeraj Singh. So we'll start in few minutes, okay? So as you all know that I have already given you what I'm going to teach today. It will be like veg pizza muffins, which is very easily made at home with few ingredients, and I will be showing you some exotic ingredients, but if you want you can use as many less ingredients you want, which is always available in everybody's home nowadays. Yeah, thank you so much Raja Mondal. Today's creation is I have already given. It's about the pizza muffin, veg pizza muffins, and that is totally veg. so that all people are watching, throughout my life, they can all try, not only the non-vegetarian people. So I want that as much as people can avail my recipes to, you know utilize them in a proper way, and they get a very good recipe so that they can enjoy it with their kids at home now. So as we all know that the school children are always now in that home, and they want to kill time by doing so many activities and school stuffs. They are just caught up like, home jail. So nothing like them. So if this recipes help them to do something, if they're really interested, let them try, and you be there to guide them as parents, and they can, do something like in creations of their own at home. Even I allow my child to do always whatever he wants, and bake. I always see at him what he's doing and guide him so that he doesn't go wrong. How can I pronounce your now name? Am I correct? Buzogni or what? Just tell me, because like pronunciation, sorry for the pronunciation. Hi Sakshi. Shashi. Hello Bishwajit. So hi Jharna. Hi Aprajita. So just few more, let them join, then we'll start. Okay. So I will be just teaching you first, making the thing, and then I will just go through your questions one after another, and I will try to give the recipe today itself in my profile, so that you all can avail it. Hi Shantini. Hi Bashundhara. So all lovely kids pictures I'm able to see. I hope all the kids at home, they are very good and in their best of health. Hi Shayoni. Hi Rajeshri. Hi Shivangi. Hi Jessica. Hi Suman. So let me tell you, like today I will not be using any onions, because like those who are very pure vegetarian, they don't even use the garlic, onion and all that stuffs. So if you want, you can always add, always welcome to add. Hi Anam. Hi Shweta. And hi Prakash. So the thing is like, if you want, you can always go for onion, but I have omitted that. And what vegetarian recipe today I'm giving, you can always use it for your addition of non-vegetarian like stuffs. Okay, so maybe chicken, maybe fish. So that variations I will tell you while doing. Okay, so shall we start? Yes. So let me ask you one more time, are you able to listen my voice clearly? Am I audible to you, all of you? If yes, you just, hi Sai. Okay, hi Sudha. Just give me a comment. Yes, I am audible to you all. Just give me a comment so that I can start. Yes, audible properly. Okay, visible, right? So now we should go for the ingredients, right? Let's go. be showing you the ingredients now one by one. Okay, so here is the flour, all purpose flour, 1.5 cup. Okay, 1.5 cup, right? So if you want, you can take 1 cup of maida and half cup of wheat flour. Okay, so it's up to you. I have taken total of 1.5 cup of all purpose flour or maida, right? Then I have taken a baking powder. So all the ingredients, let me tell you, then I will tell you the quantity when I will add it. Okay, so this is the baking powder, baking soda, okay, baking soda, pizza pasta sauce. This is a ready-made one. You can make it at home as well, but I didn't added the recipe of this because I am adding it in a purchase form only. Chili flakes are there, okay, chili flakes. And this is mixed herb. Can you see this? Okay, mixed herb. And I have taken the oil. It's like half cup of oil here, half cup of refined oil or olive oil you can take, and then 1/4 cup of curd. Okay, normal curd which is found in the packets like Amul curd or whatever, you can take that curd, this 1/4 cup. Okay, and half cup of cheese grated, that is processed cheese, Amul or any other processed cheese you can take, right? And half cup of milk I have taken. Okay, normal room temperature milk. And some chopped mushrooms is there. See, as I told you, I will be adding some exotic vegetables here. So this is the mushrooms, okay, and sweet corns, frozen one. Okay, can you see? I hope you can see. Yeah, this is the sweet corns. And here it is, chopped red bell peppers, right? And chopped yellow bell peppers, right? This is chopped yellow bell peppers. And this is chopped green capsicums, nicely chopped. Okay, here are few olives. Okay, olives which is found in the market, you know, soaked in the salted that is preservation of salt syrup, and that you can take. Okay, see, preserved one, the olives, black olives. Okay, and I have taken some pepper powder here, crushed pepper, some salt, quantities I will be telling you. Okay, and some cheese here separately to top at the for the garnishing at the top, right? And here are some self baking cups, you know, muffin cups, self baking one. In this only directly you can put and bake, and you can serve also. So you don't need to use any cake liners, that is cupcake liners in the mold. That also you can use, but I am today showing in this one. This is very handy one. Okay, I hope I have shown you everything here. So let's start with the quantity of ingredients and methods. Okay, so first we will take a bowl. In this bowl we will be like taking the oil. Okay, oil. So oil can be of any type, that is except rice bran oil, any type of refined oil, good one. And I'm using here sunflower refined oil. You can take olive oil as well, in the same quantity. So I've taken the oil. Now I'll be adding the milk into it. Okay, the milk is half cup here. In the same bowl, see, I have taken a big bowl here, right? Borosil bowl. In that I have added the oil first and then the milk. So one by one we'll be adding. Now into this add the curd, that is 1/4 cup of curd. Okay. Okay, so in that you will add the half cup of grated cheese. Okay, right. Then here we have done with the liquid ingredients. So now just whisk it nicely with the help of a hand whisker. See, I'm using a hand whisker. You don't need anything like that. In the meantime, I will keep my convection to preheating for 175 degrees for 10 minutes, right? Those who have the convection of their, which is auto preheat, go for 75 to 80 degree temperature preheating. In my is a manual one, so I will just put my convection on and then continue with that. Okay, so now we will whisk this liquid or wet mixture nicely and then keep it aside. Okay. Need another bowl. Right. Now add in this one and a half cup of maida or flour. You can add, I have taken 1.5 cup of maida. You can use 1 cup of maida and half cup of wheat in this, wheat flour, right? You can make a fusion of this to make it more healthier. Now we will add here all the ingredients one by one. So first we will take, we need a spoon measurement set like this. I have already told you in last lives as well. 5 set of spoon sets. Okay, so we will take 1/4 teaspoon of, this is a 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, we'll take salt into it. We won't add more salt as we are going to add the pizza pasta sauce, so it will have the salt in it. So that's why we are not adding so much of salt. Okay, now we will add baking powder, like 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, we'll add leveled amount of baking powder into it, right? And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda should always be less than baking powder when we are making any of the vegetarian or the eggless recipes. Okay, without eggless recipes, so always there should be a incorporation of baking powder, baking soda less than the baking powder. Okay, and then what we will do here, okay, so now we will add the herbs here. Okay, chili flakes, how much we need? Chili flakes only 1/4 or half teaspoon, not more than that. If your kids are eating less spicy, you can omit this chili flakes. Okay, you can omit this chili flakes and go with the rest all ingredients. I am adding the mixed herb here. See, mixed herb 1 teaspoon, chili flakes half teaspoon I have added, and mixed herb will be 1 teaspoon. Okay, all things should be leveled and taken, not the heaped one. Always spoon measurement should be taken in a leveled way. So these are the dry ingredients. Now we will just whisk, mix it all together. Okay, and then so in the wet mixture we will be adding the dry mixture little by little, and we left this pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder should be added to the dry mixture, that is the flour mixture. So we will be adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, right? So what all we have added in the wet ingredients? To 1.5 cup of wheat maida or all-purpose flour. In that 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then pepper powder 1 teaspoon. What else? Mixed herb 1 teaspoon, and chili flakes optional. If your kids are not eating spicy, you can omit that chili flakes, right? And in vegetables, I have added 3 colors of bell peppers, green, yellow and red, and sweet corns. Okay, so the thing is like the sweet corns we will be adding like as we are adding mushrooms also, so we will add half of mushroom and half of sweet corn to make a half cup of mushroom with sweet corn, okay, along with other veggies. And all the 3 bell peppers should be taken together and make it in a 1 cup measurement. 1 cup means 1 cup leveled measurement, right? So and this is a wet mixture. Again I'm telling you, here I have taken oil, okay, I have taken oil here. So we'll be adding here half cup of oil. We have added half cup of oil, curd 1/4 cup, and what else? Milk half cup. If required, then only we'll add some more milk. Otherwise we will not add, because this cheese also will be melting slowly into the liquid mixture. So now we can add all our in 2 batches, means slowly you take this sieve, okay, and then put it on the wet mixture. Can you see me? I hope you can see me. Okay, so now I am just using this. Is everything visible, everyone? Okay, so yeah, it is pizza muffin Samayita. So now we will be adding AC. I'm just moving my AC vent. So now we will be sieving the flour mixture into the, I hope you can see this, right? Little by little at a time, and so that if there is any lump or anything, that may go. And if you are thinking about that all the herbs are here, so that we can add at the end. See, so we will be adding little like this in 2 or 3 batches. Add the mixture, add the dry mixture in 2 or 3 batches, okay. Now add some more. Don't worry guys, I will be taking up all your questions if you have queries. Let me finish up the process and then we will be like free. Okay. So thoda karke you have to add the flour mixture or the dry mixture into the wet mixture, right? And then whisk it nicely. Here I am telling you, we are doing the vegetarian version. You can always add the onion, chopped onion into it, and chicken. You can just saute the chickens with the marinated chicken, like marinate it with the salt, pepper and lemon juice, and then you can butter, or you can toss it in the butter or in the vegetable oil, refined oil, and then you can add here. Similar things you can do with the fish fillet, small cubes of fishes, like chunks of fishes, any basa or bhetki, whatever you feel like adding, or any other fish, right? Whatever you feel good. So I will be adding here, I didn't add the pizza pasta sauce here. I'll be adding that, okay? So that will be 1 tablespoon. As I told you, if we need, then only we will add some more milk. Otherwise, no need. I have used my hands. I'll wash it again and come. So if you feel that you need some more milk, of course you can add. So first we have to add only half cup, and if you require, then only add the milk, 1/4 cup. If you require, then add 1/4 cup. That too only take, but add little at a time. I am using the normal room temperature milk of this Tetra Pak, Amul Taza one. You can take any other milk, but it should be room temperature. Okay. So I'll be adding this. We need the whole milk, 1/4 cup. So total we have taken 3/4 cup of milk, and our microwave convection is also preheated already, giving the sound of the preheating. So preheating is done. Now we'll mix it nicely, and then we will add the veggies all together. Before that, you have to check the taste of the batter. If you feel like adding some more salt, then go for it. And if you are eating less salt, you can always stay with the quantity what I have given. So now the time is there. We will be adding the veggies. So as I have told you, the bell peppers, all the bell peppers together taken in 1 cup. Okay, all the bell peppers, red, yellow and green, I will be taking in 1 cup measurement all together, right? Understood? Leave some amount of bell peppers to put it on the top or decorate it on the top of the pizza. You will see when I will do. So this is 1 cup. Okay, 1 cup of bell peppers, all the 3 colors mixed together. And this stage you can add the non-veg things also, chicken if you want. Those who are the non-vegetarian persons, they can add the chicken. See, I am adding in a half cup measurement. Okay, I will take the sweet corns. I'm taking it in a half cup, both the sweet corns and mushrooms. Okay, combine this together both and then make a half cup. Okay, here I am giving half cup of mushroom and sweet corns into the batter. And now I will be adding little olives. Keep the few olives to decorate it on the top as well. If you don't want to add olives, you can omit this. I am using because it's really good to taste, and olives are very healthy, so it's very good for kids as well, along with the elderly peoples. Everybody will be eating, as people don't kids don't like to eat olives in other things. Once you put it in the pizza, they will definitely eat it. So this is the batter. We are done with the batter. Now just I'll be checking it to get the taste. Okay, take a little bit. Yeah, I have tasted it from my with my hands. So I went to wash my hands. Now it is ready, all set. I will just add it into now to the self-baking cups. Okay, so We'll do this process very fast. Anybody is having question, they can ask at the end. I will give you the answers. So I'm taking this size. Let's see how many we can do. If you're taking a small cups, more will be coming, like maybe 10 or just see. We will see here how many cups we can fill, right? So slowly we will fill the cups up to 3/4. Maybe half you can add. Half up to 3/4. Half. Fill up to half cup. Sorry. You can add broccolis and many other veggies as per your choice. It is up to you completely. So whatever you feel like adding, you can add. It's not compulsory that what ingredients I have used, you have to also use the same. Okay. And those who are egg lovers can add, the egg scramble into the final batter before putting it on the cups. Okay, I have done up to half now. You can go for 3/4. We will add the things in the top. No issues. I am putting just filling it up to 3/4. Okay. So I thought of adding some more veggies, but that's fine. You can add in the top as well. Already we have added so much of veggies, so it's not an issue. So I am filling the cups up to 3/4. Okay. Let me put it into the oven and then I will take up all your questions. It's very, very healthy, and every time you can't make pizza very immediately, but this one you can make immediately, right? You don't need any proofing or anything like that. We can make one more cup as well. My oven is ready for a long time and it is giving a peep every time that I am ready. So let me pop some more here. I hope you guys are able to see me. So we are done with filling now. So how many cups we have done? See. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10. So 10 we have just filled. So now what we will be adding at the top? Few of the green capsicums, red capsicum, red bell peppers, or we can say, and yellow bell peppers, some sweet corns, some olives. Okay, so that should be very colorful and kids will love to eat this. Okay, so what is left? Red bell peppers, and of course we will add some more cheese. Keep one half cup of cheese on the batter, and 1/4 cup you can keep it for the putting at the top, right? So I am adding some yellow as well, yellow bell peppers. And now the finally cheese. This is the processed cheese. If you want to add mozzarella, you can add, and any other cheese if you want to add, you can always add. Okay, as already we have added some cheese on the batter. You can find this self-baking cups in the bakery stores, bakery supply stores. One thing we left to add, that is the olives. Okay, add few olives. Mushrooms already we have added. If you want to add some more mushrooms at the top, you can always go for it. Some mushrooms, there's no space. Okay, so this is like done. So we are ready to go with and pop it in the oven, and I am putting it for 175 degrees for 20 minutes. If you want, if your power is, maybe I don't know the power of your oven, so better you go for 175 or 180 degrees, whatever is comfortable you are with. And always add the low rack, okay, low rack, and then add the thing into the convection oven. I have kept it in 175 degrees for 20 minutes. And these muffins are always to be eaten very while it is hot, not that much hot, but you can always eat it when it is little hot. Don't make it cold, and kids can always enjoy eating this or making this. You can guide them while they are making. So hi Joita, hi Shomin, Pal, hi Ipshita, hi Chef Vedika, hi Hazel, hi Samaita, hi Shikha, hi Sonali, hello Pinkle, hi Bidisha, hi Monica, hi Deboshri, hi Rashmitha, hi Monica, Dash, Tamali, hi Hina, hello, So hello Shubhangi. So let me see what all questions you have asked to me now. So is there any questions? I will be just giving you the hi Dipti. Okay, you're not having any questions. In the last live also I told you the differences. Wherever there is a vegetable, vegetarian recipe, always go for the less amount of baking soda than the baking powder, because both of them reacts with the acidic agent, that is the curd over here. So it gives a very drastic reaction. So the soda is very, very concentrated than compared to the baking powder. Okay, so you should you should keep in mind that thing, and always add the ingredients in a proper measurements to avoid your things to be messy and imperfect recipe. So everything in baking is about a chemical reaction. If your ingredients are very good in quantity and measurements, then definitely your baked item should be a very tasty one and perfect one. Yeah, so Maita, no issues. You can always try it later as well, because my video here live will be there for all time. So whatever veggies at your home is available, you can use with that only. So in this case, you can go with those who are vegetarians, they can go with the eggs as well. Okay, you can always add the onion. I didn't add it here, so that those who are pure vegetarians, they can use this recipe as such. Okay, so hi Ruma, hi Abbas, okay, hi Shweta, hi Surabhi. Okay, Joita, no issues. You can always check it out. It will be here only. So now I am just starting from the beginning again. I'm telling you, we will make the dry mixture. What all I have added in the dry mixture is the 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Okay, I have used the packeted one, Ganesh or Ashirvad atta. That is very well good, and never it happens like anything lumps or anything is there inside that maida. So better it's always to go for the packed one. So that I have taken, and with that, in that I have added like 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Thank you so much friends for your such a lovely appreciations. You're giving thumbs up and love. Thank you so much. And after adding the baking powder and baking sodas quantities, then you will be adding 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because we are going to add the pizza pasta sauce as well as the cheese. So both have a saltiness. So that's why we are adding only 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you are eating so much of salt, more salt after making the batter completely, then check it in taste it, and then if you want to add some more salt, you can always go with that, but don't add the salt at the first time itself. Okay, and then salt and this all dry mixtures, keep it ready. Okay, and put it in the separate bowl, and then take another bowl. In that we will be taking the oil, which is a 1/2 cup of oil, and on that we will be adding 3/4 of cup of milk in a room temperature. Oil should be taken either olive oil or any sort of refined oil, but not the rice bran oil. Okay, because why I am telling, because rice bran has its own flavor and taste as well as the color. So don't add that. Go for any colorless good sunflower refined oil or whatever, or else you can make it more healthier with the help of olive oil. So 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of curd, and the milk, 3/4 cup. Whisk it nicely with the help of a hand whisker, which I have used. Okay, so and then on that you can add 1/2 cup of grated processed cheese. Cheese you can add any variety, but it's better to have the processed cheese because it creates more taste in your batter. Also you can add 50-50 of also. If you want to add some other cheese of another varieties like Parmesan cheese or any other cheese with that processed cheese, then you can take 1/4 cup, divide it. Okay, or else you can directly take the 1/2 cup of processed cheese, grated one, into the liquid mixture. Whisk it nicely and slowly in with the help of a sieve. slowly sieve the wet dry mixture into the wet mixtures in 3 batches. 3 बार में डालिएगा. ओके 3টে ব্যাচেস করে ঢালবে, একটু একটু করে অ্যাড করবে উইথ দ্য হেল্প অফ সিভ. সিভ মানে হচ্ছে এই যে chalni, what you call, right? So this is the sieve. So you can add with the help of this. Why I am telling you, because like it helps the aeration of the baking powder and baking soda to react with the flour mixture. So that's why we are adding like this. And once you are adding slowly and whisk it nicely with the liquid mixture, but don't whisk vigorously कि तुम्हार जो एयर बैटर एयर टा फिल है, जो एयर आता है बैटर के अंदर रहता है उसको मत आप ख़राब कीजिए. उसको स्लोली यू हैव टू विस्क इट एंड सारे के सारे मैदा को आप 3 बैचेस में ऐड कीजिए. ओके एंड देन व्हाट यू कैन डू, ऐड द वेजीज में आई हैव एडेड ग्रीन कैप्सिकम, रेड बेल पेपर्स, येलो बेल पेपर्स, all together in a 1 cup measurement. Okay, got it? And then which brand of cheese? Okay, cheese I have used the Amul processed cheese. You can go for any processed cheese, maybe goat cheese or whatever is available at your place, you can add it. Processed cheese are very tasty. At the top you can add always mozzarella, but in the batter itself you can always add the processed cheese, which gives a more taste. Okay, so okay Papia, thank you so much. Okay, what else then? All the veggies and then mushrooms and olives and sweet corn. You make it up to a half cup of mushroom, and in a half cup you can add half of mushroom and half of sweet corn and make it in a half cup measurement, right? As you know, this are the cup measurements. We are coming in with 5 set of cup measurements: 1 cup, half cup, 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup and 1/8 cup. So these all cup measurements and spoon measurements are very important if once you have come into baking, because if you want your recipe to be a perfect one, then you have to use this measurement cups and spoons. Otherwise your things will not be perfect, because you may take whatever spoon is available at your home. Yeah, of course, Surabhi, you can make it in the OTG as well, in the same temperature. Put it for 10 minutes of preheating in 175 degrees, or if you are okay in your oven OTG with the 180 degrees you are baking, so go for 180 degree, and temperature 175 to 180, but timings may vary at your different convection ovens and OTG as well. In my OTG and my convection I am using the Whirlpool, you can see here. So here it is like 20 minutes is required time for me at 175 degree to bake, but your ovens may vary. So first keep it for 15 minutes. If take out and check with the help of a whisker. If it is the whisker is coming clean, then okay. Otherwise, if it is not baked and liquidy stucking into the that is your skewers, then again bake for 5 more minutes or maybe 10 more minutes. Okay. Meenakshi, it is already I have given for before 3 days only. It is a veg pizza muffins. Okay, so mouth watering. Yeah, thank you. Mouth watering muffins, of course. All kids enjoy it very nicely at home, especially the kids, those who are not eating any veggies. For them this is a very tastiest and yummy recipe, and they can also make it with their mom, with the instruction of their moms. So definitely I'll be posting the recipe after my live session. Shobtik, ami bhalo achi, I'm quite good. I hope you all are well and doing all your school works at home with the help of a school WhatsApp group or maybe Zoom group, whatever. Yeah, of course, Aparajita, it's a very tasty treat, especially for the kids, because they don't love to eat the veggies, right? So this is a very good way of giving them a veggies treat at home, and a very quick manner and very fast. Okay, so what all question, any other questions I'm left behind? Let me check. Okay, hi Sunanda Di. Sunanda, who is actually, I have so many friends of the same name, so some of them are senior from me. Hi Rita Di, and some are junior, so sometimes I like confuse that who has joined by the profile. I cannot see. Hi Ayanika. So yeah, in the OTG also, Surabhi, you can make in the same temperature and time as well. Okay, so let me check. I'm just scrolling up to see questions, what all questions you have. I think I'm clear with the recipe. Okay, so Samaita, whatever is at your home, you can use it, vegetables. Okay, you can add onions as well as potato also, so potatoes should be very either it will be sauteed one, or else you have to boil the potatoes and make it in a chopped parboiled potatoes. Yeah, always after seeing this, learning this recipe, you make it, you tag me at your Facebook pages. I'll be very, very happy. So Priyanka Pal, actually he is not that much money. Muffins will not be enough for him for his dinner, so definitely some more things. So hi Khushbu, very happy to see all of you in my live shows. So I hope I have cleared all questions. Is there anything left? Let me check. Suparna, you have posted fish. Okay. Hi Pranita. So I think I have given all answers. No questions anymore, right? Hi Aniruddha. Hi Piyu. Hi Sunipa. So as like always, inspired from my teachers, there are only two ways in which you won't have any questions. Once, first category people, those who have understood everything, and the second category peoples, nothing they have understood. So I hope you people are coming under first category. I hope I have done justice with the explanation of my recipes. If you have any questions, there are some more times till we bake it. 6 more minutes, 6.5 minutes is left. So this is the thing. Yes, Ayan, it is 1.5 cup of maida or the all-purpose flour, and sometimes you can always play with your ingredients, like not other ingredients, but instead of all-purpose flour 1.5 cup, you can always add 1 cup of maida and 1/2 cup of wheat flour, whole wheat flour. Okay. So any other questions related this today's live session? I think you are bored, getting bored, that's why no questions, nothing is there, right? Is it so? Okay, Samaita, for my flower session, I didn't, sorry, I was just started right from the beginning. I didn't introduce myself, those who are new here. So myself is Rupali Pal, a professional cake artist from Kolkata, and my brand name is Sweetie Pie. And definitely I take the classes for all types of baking, from the beginners level to the advanced level. And if you are really interested to learn anything from me, you can just WhatsApp me at 9831769828. Okay, so definitely I teach flowers as well. So for the cake decorations in different mediums, it may be a gum paste, it may be a rice paste, it may be a bean paste, it may be a easy paste, it may be a chocolate paste, and it may be a wafer paper flowers. So there are so many options of decoration. So definitely you can get in touch with me. Yeah, always I am very happy if you are really making this recipe and tagging me. Thank you, Swati. Thank you, Priyanka. So actually I speak in English and Hindi more because like all over India and everywhere people can understand my language, and Bengalis nowadays everybody watches Hindi serials, movies, so every Bengali family knows Hindi very well. তাই জন্য আর কি I always speak in English or Hindi. Okay, so acha, so like about my classes, I take many classes on fondant, on maybe advanced cake, icing cakes, maybe normal icing cake with sharp edges, on whipped cream painting. Yesterday I have posted one of my cake in my profile, that is painting on not whipped cream still it is quite okay to work with once you put it in the freezer, but it was a really hectic session because I have just experimented with the lemon curd mousse and I have painted on that. It was like horrible, the temperature was really humid, and I was somehow managed to paint on that. It was really a very difficult task, and I really liked the way it turned out because I didn't expected it to come out well. So I'm very happy that I have used another new medium to work with. So I of course teach whipped cream painting, maybe fondant painting on cakes, on that is a fondant cakes, painting on fondant cakes. Hi Mahua, hello Dipanita. Okay, so we are left with some more 2.5 minutes more, then we will watch whether everything is baked correctly with the help of a skewer. Okay, take any wooden skewer or the metallic skewer and just poke it into the cups. If it comes out clean without any crumbs and stickiness, that means your cake is or muffin is done. Okay, and if it is not coming properly, then that means you need some more time, maybe 5 more minutes or 10 more minutes to be cooked it properly and or bake it properly. So muffins are always, the difference between cupcakes and muffins are like, it's very clear. Lemon curd, hats off. Thank you Samaita. Lemon curd is like, and that too I have made it with Gondoraj lemon. Everybody knows, those who are staying in West Bengal, what is Gondoraj lemon, because it is very popular among Bengalis. Without this lemon, our dals are very incomplete. We eat our dals, masoor dal, with this lemon, and we deliciously enjoy it. Okay, so this is like so I have used that lemon for the lemon curd recipe. So like it's really amazing whenever you are making something new and fusions things. No Shova, today is not it is a muffin today, that is a savory muffin. Savory muffins মানে নোনতা muffins, not the sweet one. Okay, sweet তো সবসময় সবাই খাও, but সবসময় মিষ্টি খেতে খেতে like you get bored of like মিষ্টি and meetha and sweet muffins. So let it our taste changes with something new in this lockdown situation. So I have chosen this totally vegetarian veg savory muffins. Okay, it's a very delicious one, trust me guys. So once you make it, you will love it. And if you have any queries regarding this recipe, you can always comment here, or you can WhatsApp me in my number, that is 9831769828. Okay, or any classes you want to take from me, you're always welcome to take. In the next month coming up with online classes of maybe ice creams, breads are coming. All breads will be the eggless recipe one, and fillings you can do anything, right? So fillings is not an issue. The main is the bread, the bread mix what you make, that is the main important thing. Okay, let me check, it is giving the sound of done. Let me check. Give me that. Let me show it to you all whether it is done or not. If it is not, then I will put it again for some more minutes. No, it's not yet done. See, it's sticky. So I will put it for some more minutes, maybe 10 minutes more. Okay. So I have put it some for 10 more minutes to be baked. Okay. Hi Shelly. So Shelly, you can make this recipe because it is a totally vegetarian one. So you will enjoy making it. So I try to give the recipes which are more and more people and friends of mine can avail this recipe if I give it totally vegetarian, because so many calls and WhatsApps are coming to me, messages ki please show in your live session the vegetarian recipe so that we can enjoy and the vegetarian people can also enjoy. So okay, those who are like chicken lovers, they can, I told you can add always chunks of chopped chicken and just marinate it maybe one hour before, like with the lemon, pepper and salt. And if you want, you can add some garlic chopped also, and then saute it in a little butter or oil, and then once it is cooked nicely, cover it and simmer it for maybe 20 minutes and then half an hour. So it will be like cooked very nicely, and then always you can add the chicken chunks into the batter. Okay. If you are using eggs, you can use the egg scrambles. Boiled eggs is not boiled eggs is like once you will chop it and give it in the batter, it will mix with all the egg yolks and all, so that's why it's not that much recommended to add. So you can add it in a chopped scrambled egg into it, or else if you are adding the fishes, chop it in a small fillets of fish, like in what you use for the chili fish size, and then you can always marinate it with the lemon and maybe pepper and salt, and then you can saute it in a butter or margarine or oil, whatever you feel like comfortable with. You can always go for it, and then you can add it into the batter at the final stage, of course, before baking. Then you can add. So there are many savory recipes coming up on my online classes, and of course fondant making recipe, gum paste making recipes, flour, different flour making techniques are there in gum paste medium, or maybe many other mediums as well. Chocolate paste also I teach. So I hope you can get answers to all of your learning sessions with me once you come to my online classes. Hello Joyadi, so happy that you have joined in my live. So all you have made it a huge success today. So hi Ritu, if I have missed anybody, please excuse me for that. Hi Neelam. Okay. Hi Laboni, how are you now? How is your health? Yeah, Suparna, I am also waiting for the cooked things. Hi Chef Jayant Shah. So the thing is like you can make as many as variations with the, you can play around the vegetables in this, and I have given you already the non-vegetarian options for that. So these are very tasty ones. You can make it in the form of a cakes as well. Okay, so yeah, you can make it in a loaf pan as well, the total quantity, and bake it and then slices it in the form of a loaf slices, cakes loaf slices. That also can be done. Okay, so and enjoy it with the mayonnaise or sauce when it is very hot, just came out from the oven, and then enjoy it with the help of with the sauce or mayonnaise or any other dips, right? So hi Boishakhi. Yeah, good Lamuni, good to know this. I was expecting the same. So take care of your health and all the family members as well, because you have a kid. So now in these days everybody should be very careful with the outside things. And okay, Amita, you can always watch the video later because it will be here only. I will not remove it. So as many as people can get benefited from my recipe. If you really want to make it, I'll be more than happy than anybody else in this world. So if you people are following my recipe and getting a very good result, so it's a blessing for me, I hope. I feel like that. So If you get stuck with any of my recipe anywhere, you can always WhatsApp me or messenger me. Okay, yeah, it will be Lina, it will be always in my page. Yeah, it will be shared in my page as well, and here from the profile also you can watch the recipe and do it at your home when you are comfortable with your time and your own personal works and business, whatever. So these are the things to be taken care during this time. Enjoy the healthy food. Homemade foods are very, very healthy rather than any other outside foods. So better make it at home. And I will come up with many more recipes. I will try to come every week live. Last week it's very, very extremely sorry to all you guys, because I was really busy with some projects and online pre-recordings of videos and all that, so I couldn't go live, and so that's why I felt very bad that you people will be waiting for me, but I couldn't come live. So that's why this week this Thursday, and moreover next week also I'll try to come live. I will give it prior 2 to 3 days or maybe more if possible, some days before that, what I'm going to teach, so that you can keep your time saved in for this time. And I chosen this time because this time till this time everybody completes their work, maybe it's official work, maybe at home, and so many household works are there, so you can complete it and then you can sit to see my recipe or my live session, right? Yeah, thank you, Labani. I was just telling few minutes back only that my how I have done my tiger cake. It's actually a challenge for me. So I'm really happy how it came out, because I didn't expected it to be coming out well. And those who know how the lemon curd consistency is, they know better that how I have painted, freehand painted on that. Nothing, no stencils, nothing, just saw a picture, inspirational picture, and then I have modified according to my taste, and then I have drawn that total tiger on my mousse, lemon curd mousse. Okay, so Laboni is conveying happy birthday to Onida. Yeah, I'll definitely convey this to him. Yeah, sure. And thank you so much. So let me check. 2.5 minutes still to go. Okay, so we'll wait for some time and then we will see the recipe of what hi Deepa. So I'm so happy this people, you all people are enjoying it, Hi Samadrita. So we have already kept the cake, Samadrita, means the muffins are already in the baking session now in the oven. So once I finish my live, you can just go back and see the live from the starting itself. And I'll put, as soon as possible, I'll put the recipe here so that you can follow the exact amount. If anybody has missed the quantity, you can just check it out in the recipe. Okay, so what all is going with all of you? Hi Meena. Hello Shubhrato. So the thing is if you have any other queries, so you can ask me. No queries, right? Then my friends are all very good in baking, so I think my explanation is quite enough to clear your doubts. Okay, and always be aware with the quantities of the ingredients which are in a very, very minute amount. If you differ with this little amount more also, your recipe will be messed up and you will not get the perfect thing. Okay, so whatever quantities are given in the spoon measurements, be confirm with it and be stick to that. Okay. Hi Shayantika. So I think all of your bakers, home bakers, those who have joined me. Okay, thank you Bidisha. I think you have loved the way I taught today. So you don't have any questions. And let me check. It's giving the sound. Let me check. Skewer. I'm putting the skewer inside. Yeah, only the oil is coming up. So as we have added the cheese also, so it is almost done only. So you can I think I need some 5 minutes too, because I don't know today what happened. It's not you can give it in 180 as well if you are comfortable in your I will give some more time here. Five more minutes. Actually, maybe the reason that while preheating, I have kept it early time before, after that, once the preheating was done, you have to immediately pour the batter into the baking tin and put it in the oven for baking. But there was a long time break, after the preheating. I was just pouring the things and making the cupcakes ready, muffin cups ready. So there was a long time gap. That's why the preheating was not that much that we got. So we need some more temperature. So try to avoid this while baking. It's better that you finish up with all the things and then put it in the cups and then preheat, so that your time will not be wasted, right? So in this way your preheating will be fine, very good, and then you can go with the recipe. Okay. Hi, OTG Aparajita, you can use the same temperature from 175 to 180. I hope whatever temperature your OTGs and convections are taking, you better knowing, because you are used to on that, your hands are used to on your own stuffs. So take see your time, at what time your cakes are baked, the same temperature only you can bake this muffin as well. Okay. Temperature from 175 to 180 degree, and time may vary. You can put it for 15 minutes. Somebody's, maybe if it is like the convections which having the more power, like some of the ovens in that ovens you will be like done in 15 minutes, but some ovens may take more than, convection ovens may take more than 20 minutes, 25 minutes, like that. And it of course depends upon the cups also, what cups you are choosing. If the cups are huge one, so it will take more time, and if the cups are very short one, it will take in a very less time. Hi Aziza, how are you? Good to see you here. So I have kept some more minutes. So total how much? 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. Okay. So this is because the preheating was done a long back, and then I have taken time. So if it has been the immediate process, as much as fast, I have put my batters into the cups and then pouring immediately, putting it in immediately for baking, then the temperature would have not been that much, time would have not been that much. So 20-25 minutes is okay. Okay. So, and don't add too much of cheese in the batter. If you'll add that, what will happen, you will feel ki na my mera batter ka taste bahut acha rahega, and many more things. But no, if you are making it more cheese, then you are making the batter liquidy. Okay, due to that only it will not bake. The top crust will become crusty and hard, and the lower base inside will be soggy and sticky. So that is the thing. Don't add too much of cheese on the batter. If you want, you can add some more cheese on the top. It's fine, but don't add in the batter. What is minimum quantity what I have given in the recipe, that's fine. Anything else I should explain? Hello, hello Snigdho. So many people are joining and watching. So those who have joined late, for them I'm telling you, you can always check it out later also, as this will be kept it here. I will not delete it, and as soon as possible I'll post the recipe. Last time it became a little late because I was really worried and working with some other project. Hello Shoma. So this is the what else, already some people have asked me for the lava cakes, choco lava cakes. So I hope you will get that also. I will try my best to show that. And many more recipes are there that you can learn very easy, in a very easy steps. Because like live shows, you can't take so much of time, always after around 1 hour after only the live breaks up, and again you have to do the live again. So it keeps on depending upon the network issues and all, we can't continue with more than 1 hour. So I'll just check it out. It's almost done. I think you are getting bored. See, I think it's done. Sorry. Where I have kept my skewer. Yeah. Yeah, it came out well. It's not sticking now. And you can see the veggies are also clearly visible. Nothing is sticked in the, skewer. So this is my muffins. You can see. It's very, very hot. So total 10 of them are here. Okay. No, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9, sorry, not 10. See, you can see. Let me show you all. These are the muffins. Can you see? I hope you can see. Let me show you. I'm just picking it up. See. I hope you all can see. It's so colorful. Looking very, very amazing. With all the veggies on the top. And it is really, guys, it's, the flavors is coming like awesome. Okay. I will just show you one. Now, let me show you one. It's very hot. So this is the texture. This is the texture of the muffins. Right? Cheese also you can see. Olives, bell peppers, everything. Can you see? Looks delicious. Thank you. Okay, so this is your muffins. You can serve like this as well and sell it like this as well. So I hope you have enjoyed this session today. Okay. So I got stuck with my work. That's why I could not come last week live. But for that I'm very, very sorry. And thank you, Deboshri. Thank you, Suparna. So try this. I want to see all of your muffins and tag me once you post it, and enjoy your food and with your kids, and let them try. Take out the baker on your child, inside your child, so that they can try the foods and they can make it and enjoy the things, and they can make for your mama and papa. Okay. Thank you, Devoshri. Yeah, I can feel. It's you can feel, but I can just get the flavors. All the veggies and all the stuffs. Thank you, Sai. All the vegetables, cheese, everything, mixed herb, everything is like awesome, giving a very good flavor. Pizza sauce, everything. All things are yummy. Sonia, thank you. It's no issues, Sonia. You can always check it out later as well. Once the live is over, you can just go to the my profile and can't wait to yeah, of course, Amita, always welcome. Try it. I will love if you people are trying it and enjoying it. So let me know once you make, and you make it, and then tag me once you make it. Okay. So with today, should I go close this video? Everything is done, right? Chalo, bye. And next week I hope to see you again with some new live sessions, right? So enjoy, guys. Bye for tonight. Stay safe, stay well, stay at your home until unless you have some urgent works to go out. Thank you, Neelam. You didn't miss anything. Again, you can see it once the live is over. The video will be here, kept saved. So thank you all, my friends. So signing off for tonight. Thank you. Good night. Bye.